Classic cars, with their timeless beauty, historical significance, and often rarity, hold a special place in the hearts of automotive enthusiasts and collectors. They serve as more than just vehicles. They are living pieces of history, encapsulating the design, engineering, and cultural spirit of their respective eras. In this exploration of the top 8 classic cars that every collector should consider, we will embark on a journey through the annals of automotive excellence, delving deep into the intricate details that make these vehicles treasures of the past. Before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button and hit subscribe. Thank you, and let's begin. 1961-1972, Jaguar E-Type. The Jaguar E-Type, often referred to as the XE in the United States, holds a unique place in the world of classic cars. Launched in 1961, it was an immediate sensation thanks to its unparalleled blend of beauty and performance. This British masterpiece was styled by Malcolm Sayer, who brought aerodynamic principles from his aircraft design background into the automotive world. Its long bonnet, sleek lines, and perfectly proportioned body made it a design icon of the 1960s. The E-Type was powered by a potent 3.8-liter inline-6 engine, capable of achieving top speeds exceeding 150 mph. Its independent rear suspension and four-wheel disc brakes offered exceptional handling and stopping power. 1963-1967, Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. The second-generation Chevrolet Corvette, known as the Stingray, marked a pivotal moment in American sports car history. It is distinguished by its remarkable split rear window design on the 1963 model, which, though divisive, is now celebrated for its unique and aggressive look. The Stingray's curvaceous bodywork was a product of Larry Shinoda's design genius and had an unmistakable American flair. Under the hood, it featured a range of potent V8 engines, with the most iconic being the 427 cubic inch big block V8. The Stingray was a genuine rival to European sports cars, combining style and performance. 1954-1957, Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing. The Mercedes-Benz 300 SL, affectionately known as the Gullwing, due to its distinctive upward opening doors, is a masterpiece of German engineering and design. It was born from the successful 1952 Carrera Panamericana race car and became the first production car to feature fuel injection, significantly improving engine efficiency and performance. The 300 SL's inline-6 engine produced over 200 horsepower, propelling it to a top speed of more than 160 mph, making it the fastest production car of its time. Its unique design, along with the Gullwing doors, captivated the world and added to its allure. The 300 SL represents a symbol of post-war German engineering excellence and remains a pinnacle of automotive achievement, both in terms of style and innovation. 1957-1973, Ford Mustang. The Ford Mustang is an American automotive legend, recognized for pioneering the pony car segment. Introduced in 1964, the Mustang offered an affordable, compact, and sporty alternative to the bulky American cars of its time. It became an instant sensation and a cultural icon, appealing to a broad audience. The Mustang featured a variety of body styles, engines, and options, ensuring there was a Mustang for everyone. Whether as a convertible, fastback, or coupe, it offered style and performance to match, ranging from the modest 6-cylinder engines to the thunderous V8 powerhouses. The Mustang's widespread appeal and timeless design have cemented its status as a classic and collector's dream. 1955-1957, Chevrolet Bel Air Tri5. The 55, 56, and 57 Chevrolet Bel Air models, often referred to as the Tri5 cars, are iconic symbols of mid-20th century American automotive design. These cars were a testament to the optimism and exuberance of the 1950s. Their extravagant chrome detailing, classic tail fins, and a wide range of V8 engine choices made them highly desirable during their era and continue to make them sought-after classics. The 55 Bel Air introduced the powerful small-block V8 engine, and subsequent years saw improvements in performance and styling. These cars embody the spirit of an era when tail fins and chrome reigned supreme, and they remain a cherished part of American automotive heritage. 1965-1970 Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA. The Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA is a lightweight, high-performance version of the Giulia Sprint, showcasing Italian automotive excellence. It is renowned for its racing pedigree and competition success, particularly in touring car racing. The GTA variant was stripped down, featuring lightweight body panels and an aluminum hood. Power came from a high-revving 1.6-liter inline-4 engine, which made it remarkably agile. The GTA's lightweight construction, combined with its race-tuned suspension, ensured it was a dominant force on the track. Its sleek and stylish design, along with its limited production numbers, make it a prized possession for collectors who appreciate the rich heritage of Italian sports cars. 1955–1975. Citroen DS. The Citroen DS, a French masterpiece, is celebrated for its innovative design and groundbreaking technology. It introduced features previously unseen in a production car, including a hydropneumatic self-leveling suspension system, power steering, and advanced aerodynamics. The DS's unique streamlined body shape, often referred to as the Goddess, set new standards for automotive design. It was not only aerodynamically efficient, but also offered a comfortable and smooth ride. The DS became a symbol of French automotive innovation and remains an icon of automotive artistry. 1969–1976. Lamborghini Miora. The Lamborghini Miora is often considered one of the world's first supercars, setting a new benchmark for style and performance in the 1960s. The Miora is named after a famous Spanish fighting bull, and its aggressive and exotic styling lives up to its name. Its mid-engine layout, featuring a transversely mounted V12 engine, was groundbreaking at the time and remains a hallmark of Lamborghini's design philosophy. With over 350 horsepower on tap, the Miora was capable of top speeds exceeding 170 mph, making it one of the fastest cars of its era. Its bold, avant-garde design and exceptional performance set new standards in the automotive world, and it continues to be a symbol of Italian supercar craftsmanship. In the world of classic cars, our journey has taken us through a remarkable collection of automotive treasures, each with its own unique story, design, and historical significance. These classic cars, which every collector should consider, stand as testaments to the artistry and engineering prowess of their respective eras. As we conclude this exploration, we reflect on the enduring allure of these timeless vehicles. Whether you are drawn to American muscle, European elegance, or groundbreaking technology, there's a classic car on our list that resonates with your individual taste. Owning one of these classic cars is like having a time machine, allowing you to relive the golden age of automotive design and performance. They remind us of a time when cars were not just means of transportation, but statements of art, status, and innovation. These classic cars are more than investments. They are a bridge between the past and the present, connecting collectors with the rich and storied history of the automobile. They continue to inspire awe and admiration, and for those fortunate enough to own them, they are tangible treasures that preserve the legacy of the automotive industry. As we celebrate these automotive masterpieces, we are reminded that the love for classic cars will endure, ensuring that these timeless works of art continue to mesmerize generations to come.